Mema Kwababa was one TV. My for update when farmer quick one year minority for Eden Sem the Ababatuja. Mecha minority in parliament. Obakaya oral operation recover all loot. Okuja to a black one in the anymore. Now Obakaya say Ibra okuja to a black one. Says senior osinam now kwashi amount for state land amount for my encroachment abasu illegally. Se o hwehwe se bibia de ebetoto na kwam no minority fo na hu ana mo se da bi senior okuja to abla kwasi de ye na dwuma de ensem fata enye mraso ana okuja to abla kwa eni the team ora no omodi ye dwuma enye mra kwan so eni titie minority fo se obo ka cho mo mpisi no ampo bi kurasi fo mu yi ya to aba ma bi asi fo mu omo kanu maka dio atom na so so ora team no eyo madwen se omo send invitation dia mom so momra no mo kwashi omo emo bia anasa invitation
for ora advice from the minority is to boycott any invitation from the ora team. We are not going to be part of it, because we believe that there are constitutionally established bodies that can investigate any so-called misdeeds of the government. What are they doing? What they are doing is to go about disturbing people, entering homes, taking vehicles, seizing vehicles, and more or less taking over lands from people who have genuinely purchased land. What the former government officials have done is to acquire properties that legally they were acquired. No illegality has taken place. In any case, the NDC, their members have also acquired lands in this country. The executives, Kujatua Black and Co., they live in the cantonments, they live in the airport, they live in their childhoods. Lands which were government lands which they bought many years ago. The people of Ghana should not tolerate this order which is out there to only persecute the former government officials.
Okay, they are out there just to persecute yes, the former government. Oh, could you to a black one? A banner Dania, they also will be a cantonment. Child don't need patemuna. A bansa say. Government officials oma acquired them illegally. And the oil and why not being said or tata manfo no do makwa to no akwese omo atwetwe omo srani abasa ahu hia nti minority ku no e de nsemi e de tuja ana na kwadwo smart ababo nti na okasiti sa afenyo marking ne micro minority fo no omo hwe no mo hwe ni yi omonhwe no monhwe niye no mo de omontenase no monya gagai udie omonya gagai na se ora team ne fro omontenase no monya omadwen so mo nko tie ono ba ko preko Agyapong ka che no sika bia fa ne nsase one ne wife 100 million Ghana cedis any $30 million bi Professor Atamas Abenso, the late Professor Atamas na bamu no ono ba ko preko Agyapong contract bi beton na so ne wife omo sika no street light contract bi so on the wife omo kam na Kodwo say this is the right time to strike. Kodwo na kasa no so obi aye corrupt to asase we so. In fact Yesu kura no corrupt. Na so ebra the devil and as a bonsam calling chain say yes way memma wiase nyina be de wiase gudie bibia be hye wonsa se wotimi koto asomia me de bema ho hono na yagikwa Yesu Kristo no the corrupt see the one mono antimi adan ampie anampo wantimi anyantum kogitum pe ka Yesu ye corrupt ono Kodwo no to no ye corrupt but nyema bi wo ha ense say dey nipa ye why so beti ba kwa contract na contract no 10% penny that so it should be okay for you it should be okay for you. Then you want for more. Oh dear. Ora team no nsem no mde ababetu dwa no. Wo kan waka we. So ora team fo ni be frɛw. Na mo minority ko no. Titiri na afenyo mark ne squad no. Sema anasa invitation no. Obekere mo kafia. Now start free the former MP for Asin Central. Ono wa kompra kwa Agyapong. On any wife. I was so be accountable to the new government, NDC. John Dramani Mahama Ninapan, the oral team. Could you say this is the perfect time? I'm a country and say, I didn't know I'm that today is the day. Now, a piano a year Obia dream say, honorable compra kwa Japan, or no could you smart and Osrunu. Osrunu, or betchen kafia. I'm saying, could you bring on to Janet?
Ade amba oman we ntimi nkonanim corruption. Now today let me take my time. Let me want take corruption as I say. Me pe bi o wasase so. Including Jesus Christo. All of us me pe bi o fi obayem baye bia was born corrupt, including Christ. But eyewo and obe decide say me nye corrupt. E san say Yesu sunsun konkron na ne mere daaye na mom oba na chim no wu no nti Satan nya akukuduro etimi ko ka kire nse wo se we ye nyame badia ye say we ye nyame bada na oboyi abodo. Satan wanted to corrupt Christ. But the son said, not Christo or ye nyame. No one body trimu pose. On me feeling kekawa and kane hunti was succumbed to Satan. Eh? We were all born corrupt. Ye corrupt. Ye sadi ye wu ye. It is up to Agyapong say ne yire o danachi wa kwaji contract 100 million Ghana cedis so be street light wanye ese Kennedy nya adwe say me yire we ye for 1 meja 2 fisika ne koma aban ese say Captain Smart etimi ti ase say number 1 your mind, your political party. Enti untimi nkote baby. Na wuria abayeniema. No, wrong. But eno ni pantiasie. When the African man is corrupt, he calls himself a businessman. And I will explain. Sure. Bible ni Quran mukura nyameje 10%. It is a way a contractor. Me a man abaye juma. Now profit margin is 10%. I think it's enough. But sa ukwaje kwan no school dan no na wuji sika na wansi a trouble wo ho ye beje sika. And I came here to sound this warning. Wa wo se we MPP minister, MP chief executive, we bema no ora afra wa parliament ko. Mo ti proba na mu dwa no ma fa your markets, wo dwa wanum. Minority no mu dwa manum. Mu dwa manum. Canada Agyapong $30 million contract, Professor Mills time. Why you will cost the money? Somebody should tell Canada Agyapong. Why you won't bear my Oklahoma? You think you are the only man? And me, I was waiting for the right time to deal with people at the right time. Mr. Ken said $30 million no contract, no, oh yeah. Kufuor time, Canada Agyapong. Conditions that necessary supply to ministries, departments, and agencies. No, he did not. And this man can have the effrontery to sit in this country. We a minister of state, no per contract to a one farmer now, not what on the TV in the radio. So no, I was so pow, poto. Bosa we yamashi should now American now sign contract now, man. Really? No. Me, Obian won't come up pecan as I'm telling you today. But some 100 million Ghana cedis street light contract in the one can check Canada, Japan, Opa. Onye the ope. That money, he must account for it. On the year. And nobody is afraid of that man who. He must get it straight. If he say, your say, Papa, your say, your husband say, 3P. Say 3P kwaje abai 100 million Ghana. Neje bia kwaje 100 million. Mema kwaje 100 million. Efiaje 100 million. Peter je 100 million. Kene Japan kro mu kwaye disika na be. Na to from haso wo sika. Masa. Wo sika. Really? Really? Auditor General's report now, a ball where you medino. The same Auditor General's report in a ball within say 100.2 million Ghana cedis. A shawayena to street light no ye. And then after your markets can be doing blah 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 blah. Say orally illegal. We a bema. Wa ora befra wono menko.
Okay.
But you know, English a man from MP on one can say because he misro. As I said, you told me, I'm in Krata, my return, You think, sir, people, I want to stand. People think we are fools in this country. No, I want to stand. People think we are fools in this country. I don't prefer to say, Jimmy. And yet, your mining, we Ghana for the Yabobo Badam, the Ninjansa. Ubeso Cham say, Efia, TSCFFF, Sankefia, or no, Yamano Isle Gona Assassi, 1 acre, so go to 50,000 in compare. Na MPP nkwadanke tinketi amu sabe mujamo na kura mo humo tope pa kura mo so ada mo kasa. Useless cocoons. One so da no mabie o ma no mo kasa. You were following such a corrupt administration. And people don't want us to talk. Me but catch there NDC for say me hwamudi na mo de monte kwakwa na mbete poke kote kwakwa ombe bo mo nsaba ma me se o maina yetimu no bebia MPP sa papa de fe na kufa do ho won so mo bu ni tiri to from crystal na osre
no osre ahomasro de ahomasro osre
and you people think that and crofad yin o say esese obia wo eni obia wo sika bia okrum ha na corrupt. But someone should tell Kennedy Japan here they said 100.2 million Ghana cedis no she would account for that money.
See
tell me with him how useless something is. Now wa pay Maya 3 me obi mpo ba ma me o
sound
Ken I am telling you today Ken me obi mpo ba ma me and a sabia buru sabia nyado yetete ma hemfienti mi ndi kwase ya
sound I see
wuni ma me catch her net plane girls now was wrong no me useless women omo kura anyefe omo aparo omo nyenyenyan bi sa you bring such a ladies to me me a guy brutal
that be na kwadwe say all the man ba sa na omo se ye omo dan uni omo nya sore mo mpae ana adwam anya spec no na se opache se MPP fo no omo de ema escort ni ayi okay
minimenku ane boarding aye tomo ba asra yi and yes I useless things now you sent them to me no get it straight when you want to fight corruption the system will fight you and me I am ready to fight the system. That that is why I JB Frebi na no two ahene no see ahene me we are rougher metu
Odogu
we are rougher metu. And it's about time again for you to see a TSS and yet MPP and then NDCO. And yet MPP and NDCO. Look, eh? Say as you doom Kania. Now, if I say you doom Ododio Kania, say MPP parliamentary candidate. So, no, so the Kania bedroom. Kania no MPP. Kania no NDC. Meanwhile, your friend saying, afenyo markets say abani nya kuku dabi nya afenyo markets sam wo energy minister bi na okodo sa kwa reference debe ya crap house den o say abani no problem bi ani ho na onye bema na abani face problem rubbish and useless
o fana that was three
rubbish and useless say at kroma huh. Abai we have boka over $2 billion na egu actually. Bibia ofri. Akufado ene ne ken oforiata. Etimi a raise bonds nko anya bese on bonds ne nko 13.3 billion 13.5 billion dollars. 13.5 billion. Ken oforiata ni akufado. Etimi anti 2 billion. Any kakrebi edaso granted 3 billion entimi anti 3 let that 13 no so enkotweka enfie nwotwe Akufo-Addo be di president nkroma when tua gas kada ofree now what was we MPP ni fa ojini free me TV ni so 3 years when tua gas kada 3 years fuel ani yedi kogum kutukutukutu dia wo so kane wo fie na ye free. Say yes, Mahama Nimyan Sachen and Adwa. The Sumu says, I'm no Casay. I'm telling you today.
What's it?
Missing yes, Mahama Nimyan Sachen and Adwa. The Sumu. And Mahama said that, no, I'm not interested in saying, we are Nyese, we'll keep the lights on. This is Nyansania, me Bamano. And I am proud of myself. I voted for John Dramani Mahama. Me to Obama probably president. When I vote against you, you are going to opposition. Next time we share me to Krum baby, who say many na ye call, who can say Kania. Mom, some catch them down Ghana for who I am. Na me te banchwa, na me di makokora, na me te hodi, na me hemo, na me sere.
Now, Osa. You guys
don't know me.
Oh, that's right.
Mafia. Akufo-Addo oko petrol a yedigu aeroplane wenja 1 gallon. Gallon. Wenja bi gallon. Aviation fuel no be ni koto.
That gallon dey always say gallon.
Gallon say gallon. Akufo-Addo enja 1 gallon.
Gallon dey na can you say? You say.
That be gallon.
You say.
When Jabi. Nana wenja 1 gallon. I told you. W'rns eja bosome miensa. Kufuor eja bosome miensa. Mahama jana na do bosome nsia fuel. Akufo-Addo okono. O giant 3 hours. Enubo, ebi say 5 hours. Granted. Hold on, Meba. Fuel o giant no. I came here to tell you. Say yes, Mahama ni nyansa chen Akufo-Addo a. Anka fuel eni Ghana. Keye nya binton. The Kenyans are some of say a political party. Who you people in Germany? Nonsense. Time na ye boy voter ready a catch up or ye nam slim ye boy Krobi or not enjoy if I said Nelerugu say Nelerugu Eboa
Okoye do.
Wo say
Okoye dey.
Me koye campaign na me kufo.
E na ye dey.
MPPT
E na ye dey.
Bo mu bu ye no.
O ye dey yabo.
Na bag bo machi.
Kasa. Okoye dey.
Bag bo machi.
Okoye dey.
Yo, Omo so mu na ye bi a bag mu na say, how did these things get into your mind?
What is that thing?
You are nonsense. Nonsense. We are people in town. Huh? We are people in town. Me say Bisa Akufo-Addo, I saved his life twice.
Sound.
Ote ase Rebecca kura nim. Ya no so de ben kada.
Kojo.
Listen. Enye sa ene ye buman.
Okay.
Nya abutre. Enye sa ne ye buman. Se say na W'rns jama Akufo anka Akufo betime buman. Really? Se say ena Mills Akufo so jama Mills a Kamils betime atena. Se say ena ye friend say Mohammed jama na na do ye anka betime. Because nyansa ye di buman every before ye buy wo mu ni bi. And I will break it down for you. So more is nyansa di bi anka ye ma Canada Japan 102 million Ghana cedi street light contract. Do you know why? Canada Japan had the effrontery and not cheer an ass. No, yeah, nas who adwuma. Canada Japan now yeah after that besi where me. And who adwuma it is a wage contract no execute here. Which mean come in no on na yere. Me wa. What mean yana Papa wait me nya kukuduro be kache na dampare wo so te ho CDS te ho NIB se me na me koka galamsey asema nka NIB a chebe 5 times. Canada Japan say he was called and said he was offered a bribe of $800 million.
Yeah.
Ghana security in Penifam. You guys sat down and watched this thing. Say I offered a bribe of $800 million and nobody did anything.
Kwajo nyabutre. Anamantini. If you refer someone as a tenor, that means the person is an animal. And there be Ibia Mantini.
Times. Canada Japan say he was called and said he was offered a bribe of $800 million.
Yeah.
Ghana security in Penifam. You guys sat down and watched this thing.
I think that one is a huge disrespect. Sasemba aya yenhwene ka asem na da pon so. Sebe ono bo akompra kwa Japan. Ono so ayobi papa. Sebe ono bo akompra kwa Japan. Ono so sebe wato aduane amobi adi pen. Sebe ono bo akompra kwa Japan. Wabua amanfo asen central. Na uko friend said this thing. I think that one capital is a highly disrespected statement.
Said he was offered a bribe of $800 million.
Yeah.
Ghana security in Penifam. You guys sat down and watched this thing. Say I offered a bribe of $800 million and nobody did anything. A country like Ghana, poor nation. Aye here sika ye kwan esi school dan aye nsuo kwabrane say your friend say omeji $800 million. Don't step it down. That parent me anche no NIB ntimi anche no Shraj anka ho he dai Yoko anka ho he your friend say check my star me ame wafa sensi kandapa ntimi anche Canada Japan. What kind of a country are we building? Look for that video and play for me. And you guys think that we are joking. $800 million. Canada Japan say a joke. say ombeji $800 million na ontnase men kobiemu yenya nipa bi a odwen ebo kroba mana amfre no but let me tell you I am not Ahmed Swale so when ma me catch ro pe fantini bi hu cha igbeni na santini bi hu cha nsremuni me nya Ahmed Swale obi nka check the Japan ente she wa na wo ho nka won fi wan bro say po ka bete poke so when ma me catch me I am saving a country. I am not interested in any political party. I don't give a damn to MPP. I don't give a damn to the NDC. $800 million. So we had work in the Agyapong station. Think. Also what do you mean? Omeji $800 million. Usuposo in Tuaka. Abranti ya onome starting to kwe. Kwe kuanan ni Tuanika. Look for that video for me. $800 million. But video, mommy. But
oh, I'm a sigma $500 million. Let me step down. Only many people do approach me. BBC delegates any Ghana who don't, I will never do it.
Time FM.
The money they offered was $800 million. If he doesn't know, you should ask Mr.
Who offered that money?
It is
No, you see, Ghana for Jay Brafie and this thing want to become a president. Do you know how much money I was offered? We have a catch us over 150. Can I report? Drop it and I. Who call America now? Treat taxi. Taxi driver ban a America. Or what? And then 150. Or Mississippi. Now come house of Biat, house of Biat, looking at the bound. Who is afraid? I'm did Yankopon. Peter Onim, no smart girls. Hey Ken, really? And me? Me o me papa ma me obi Safia.
Ene de me ya we obi mpe oba amount. Kwadwo smart ana akasa no video credits goes to Onua TV, Onua FM. Ensem de waprobi e de go. Honorable Akomprako Agyapong. Wanya me score 2025 the oral team me sure say Omaba Kwadwo aba be gina wa o tutu bi e de manon omo be invite na na ombekwa kwosra no fie the oral team operation recover all loot. Kwadwo ka sembi o say obo honorable ohene Kennedy video o chere say empo omo ofan $800 million na honorable say wanye delegate any Ghana who don't that time the primaries no wanye enti onu omo eden ochro mu showdown but obi beka say na again na ba e say Kwadwo smart atiasi ne so sa no 2025 I said this is the right time ade ye ne share the tiny sa what is say minority for no go gina say ma obia ana invitation by the oral no eno ana trigger sansem wina it is a Kwadwo any the oral team na omanya evidence they should go all out anya sa odina no pre to na se brebi ba 4 years e chi say power dani Kwadwo also journey from Ghana ono ankasa so kan osisen ka MPP for wini aba we a kan nitiate eti he did everything chimakon ya ade tare na dan kokufu ado ani hu na fe wo hu ba omi akra de na enti mesrawo ono abu ohene Agyapong ono wanya mesco na Kwadwo ka sembi o se human boko taxi wa America betimi anya fie 150 ene na chire e o Mississippi ene Ghana na Ghana de bia meka kwadwo ohone de unless me ankasa me konam kotwi taxi ni bia ansa na mahu se ne sitie ewo America. Ghana is the only country we call the honorable, the one who has stolen our money. We hear sika abuye kom oba penny friend honorable na eba no. Honorable je akonya tenase, honorable yenye wudeni, uye boy, honorable yenye wudeni, uye boy. Only in Ghana. It is a kwadwo so evidence na toma the oral team no. Senior Wokano, after your marking in his caucus in the agrobin or moody, Monteki or Mon, some more the evidence here, but yet the book of see. And it said, Honorable Okuja to a blackwa, or see all receive threatening, and your moon from face way. But, anyways, a video be about a tom from my friend who found my friend Yao Dina Efa branch beer, a camera said, we and Miania, free SHS. Enuane ni bi na odi akogugu fie emesa mmie hwe video yi na afi drop your comment in a professional way a country called Ghana no enti yesi ya na afi yeblemu abano na afi so agoye bibi ayo
bus. The tomatoes they are using for the student. I saw the bus then I was going somewhere. The big bus came, the school transport bus came to offload the goods here for this driver, taxi driver to load. This is happening in Soko de Bogame right away. And this one you'll be blaming government that government is not good. While our own people are killing our own people. Close the booth. I want to take your car number. I will report this to the police right now. Right now. Chito Senior High School. The bus just left here now. And look at the thing they transport here. The food items that they transport here. They came to offload this in the bush here, made the driver park on the street, waiting for them to offload the goods. And now, and this, they will start to say Mahama is not good. Mahama is not good. Look at this. This is tin tomatoes. This is tin tomatoes. But the government bought all this thing. You see the wickedness of people? While the people, the students are there without food. Master, what he did, is it good? And me, I want to 50 years. And you the police station the jailer. Sukuvio want of vilation, net you the secondary school. Open to do me fever correct beme. Basaba kojo 50 basaba dagba trojo yina. I just saw this right now and I know there's something wrong. The school bus, the U-turn bus from Chito High School, Senior High. The driver came to offload these goods here, contracted this taxi driver. This is the car number. This is the car number. Okay, this is the car number. Tin tomatoes. So, my brother will be going to the police station. Yes, we have to fight for Ghana. First, my name is Apostle Ekacho. When you go to social media, you see me there. I will not support any evil. And they will begin to blame government, that government is this, government is that. While our own people are very wicked and evil. So I'll be calling the police to come for you.
Okay, Omama Panono, and you know, but me peke comment be on this video. Now I have comment in that's now. Obi say, don't forget Akufo-Addo is no more in power. This is own people who are trying very hard to sabotage John Mahama. And Obi Atrosi, I'm glad that you are seeing the attitude of Ghanaians. They did the same thing to Nanado, and the NDC got their people to blame the government, leaving the real culprit to continue. Now put forth them, and just hate him to the core for this. Posterity will be the kind to Nana Bawumia government. Obi said the taxi driver is an MPP polling executive who was serving her constituency women organizer appointed as a caterer. And Obi replied, I said the driver is from my hometown in the Volta region. He drops me at work most at times, and he is NDC party supporter. No propaganda here. Just fact for people to know. You are only trying to paint the MPP party black. I am one of the executive here. I'm sorry, he's not a member of MPP, but rather NDC. I can swear on this. A country called Ghana, no, 80 video you say, I be memupa and assassin we see. But anyways, ɛno see video trendy Kwadwo Smart ɛne honorable Ohene Kennedy akompra kwa Agyapong nti meche se obo ayi din wom kwakwa na nti kwakwa na minim se kwakwa na mesko we obefa dia no wa return it I don't know but any update be baby am the bebrem was one TV seen drop your comment in a professional way. This is an update. Kindly share the video for me and after so unto your officer you general ni woman brand be to your fish no the jari awoye no Yami share video no drop your comment in a professional way but that's it.